Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to simply change your display language in Chrome better. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your Chrome beta. So I'm going to click on here, open up my Chrome beta. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on your profile icon. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down right here, click on your language right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply select display language. Then right here, you can simply choose any of the language you understand right here. Once you choose any language right here, come down below right here and hit on confirm. And all display language is going to change to your preferred language in Chrome beta. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.